Your coach probably taught you this. The high guard. Keep your hands up, stay safe. But what happens when that stops working? Defense isn't one size fits all. It's a system. And the greatest fighters in history each mastered a different style to become untouchable. In the next 4 minutes, we are breaking down every major defensive style in boxing, from the Philly shell to the peekaboo, so you can find the one that fits you. First, the high guard. Its principle is simple: safety through structure. Your hands form a solid barrier to protect your head, while your elbows protect your body. It's the foundation of all boxing defense, perfect for new fighters and durable pressure fighters who need to walk through fire. Next, the Philly shell, or shoulder roll. The core principle is deflection. You don't absorb punches, you make them glance off your shoulder, arm, and backhand. This is the style of technical masters and slick counterpunchers who thrive on making their opponents miss. The peekaboo. Its principle is aggressive defense. You use constant head movement, slips, and weaves from behind a high, tight guard to get inside and unleash explosive counters. This is the system for relentless, high-pressure swarmers who want to overwhelm their opponents. The cross-arm defense. The core idea is to create an impenetrable shield. You absorb and deflect punches on your arms and elbows, weathering the storm to land your own heavy shots. It's a specialized guard for durable fighters who are willing to take a few to give a few, often used against the ropes. Finally, evasive defense, or ghosting. The principle is simple: don't be there. Instead of blocking or parrying, this style relies entirely on footwork, distance management, and reflexes to make punches miss completely. This is the domain of pure boxers and fighters with a significant speed or reflex advantage. High guard, Philly shell, peekaboo, cross-armed, and evasive. 5 systems, 5 philosophies, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Finding the right one for your body and fight IQ is the key to becoming untouchable. So, let me know in the comments, which defensive style are you going to start drilling? If you want to master these systems, hit that subscribe button. The journey continues. Train smart, stay ready.